We are going to talk about, sorry guys, I didn't greet you. Hello, I hope your day is going on well. So we are going to talk about Zoho, how to create Zoho account or your Zoho invoice part 1. I'm going to break it into 3 parts, so help me God. So you come here, you sign in. For every sign in, of which this is not the first time you're signing into anything, so there is no how I could write www.zoho.com and Vivian it will not come, because I have started using it already. Do you get? For my Vivian Career Hub. So that's why it's telling me welcome Vivian. So have access to my Zoho home now. So Zoho is a software that you can do a whole lot. Like you can see it here, you can try for mail, CRM, books, QuickBooks and all that. Then Dex, Work Drive, Creator, People, Inventory and all that. But I have also accessed this Zoho Voice, but this one we are talking about was Zoho Invoice. That is why I clicked on Zoho Invoice, because that is where it is bringing us. Now, when you finish setting up your account, when you're signing up, it will ask you what are you going to use it for. Is it for organization or for personal use or for anything? So it is left for you to do that. So for the first part of this video, I created it for my Vivian Career Hub, which is also the name of my YouTube channel, Vivian Career Hub, where I post content and videos about skills and career. So because I have created this before, that's why you could see this. I have used it for some customers before. Then here, first of all, when you log in, you have created your profile. This is what is supposed to show. Sorry, let me close this. It was supposed to be empty, but because I have started using it, that's why you're seeing these figures and that's why you're seeing this. So there is this icon here just close to your profile. Then you click here, which is your organization profile. Then you need to do was set it. Assuming that I have not set it, you will not see this logo. I have already set it, and this is my organization logo. And my organization name is Vivian Career Hub. And my business type is for profit. Yes, if I like, you can put it for as freelancing, you can put it for NGO and all that. So it's allowed. The services that you run, industry services, you get. Then location in Nigeria. So if you click here, you can be anywhere. So this all works of all the globe, you're around the globe, anywhere you are you can put it. And this is my organization address, because I stay and I live in Abuja, and that's why I chose it. Then if my company has a website, or I've created a website for it, I will just put the URL website here and all that. Would you like to add a different address for payment stores? No, it has to be one. Then the primary sender has to be me, and the emails are sent through of Zoho Invoice. This is it. Message services at sender.invoice.com. Then you click on save. You have already save your profile. Why did this go out? Sorry about that. Then you close this. Then when you come here, you can see add user, add item, log time, weekly log, all these things. Like here, add user. Let's click on it. Users limit has reached, because when you create it, that's another part. Now I invited, when I was learning about this, I invited this person. When I click on invite user, and it's told me that okay, that my user invite I have already utilized it, because this is me, I am the admin, and this is my staff, Chidinma. Do you get? I invited this person. If I want to edit it, let's say go back to edit it, edit user. Now assuming that I change a staff and I want to replace who I have put. Now putting this person here means that the person has access to this interface. Do you get? So it's not just me. That's the essence. That's why when you come to a shop or supermarket, you see there is a manager and all that that oversees everything. Not those people that you see at the cashier and all that. Their own is just to log in and put in sales and all that. Then there are some persons where you will go back, they will say, even those other sales girls, they will go back to that main person and say, please help me check what the price of this. Maybe when they use that their scan or whatever, and it will not show the price, they will have to go back, and that person has now access to this. Is something like this because the access has been granted to the person. So this is Chidemana, is a friend of mine I used. This is her email address. So she's a staff. So you see, timesheet staff, you can assign to customers only. Do you get now? So it can be a staff. So I am the sole admin. I can decide to make two admin and all that, but these are apart from the admin, the staff, timesheet staff, and staff this. And so when you, according to where you place them, it is only what they are going to see on their dashboard or whenever they log in. So I'm going to save it back. So it's left for you if you're going to run your shop using Zoho and all that. So this is how you curate it. So I'm saving it back, then I close it. I want us to take every of these things one by one so that we'll be able to do what? Understand it. Then this is item. It's goods that I use, ba. Now when I say new item, I can say laptop, right? It's a goods. Then unit, it doesn't matter, you may just decide not to put any unit. You can decide to carry what image and put here. The laptop has different make and different models and all that. So if I have a picture of the particular laptop or the whatever goods I'm selling, if it's services I put here, but because it's goods I put here. But let's say I put services now. Services, you can say maybe I'm running like a travel arrangement, travel package. Maybe I do all this travel package, you get. Then I can decide to put the logo or whatever. So it depends whatever that you're doing. So I'm just showing you for the sake of what we are doing. But let's go back to goods, and I say laptop. Then what is the selling price? This is where you put all the items that you're selling. Let's say all are Dell. You understand, Dell laptop and all that. But Dell has different models and generation. So for this one I say 450,000. Now there is something I will still tell us maybe in our next video, because when I click here tax, is going to show 7.5, because when I created my Zoho invoice, there are some settings that I made. So when you go to this place and you click tax, no, stay here, don't worry, let us finish this one. I will go back and show you what it means. Now what type of laptop is this that is sold for 450? I said Dell Core i5 8th gen. You get? Then I save it. It already exists, okay, because I added it. Okay, it's like I've added laptop before. So let me say Core i5 7th gen. Laptop already. Okay, let's say it's like I've added it before. Let me say what should I put here now that will fit my career hub? let's say LED light or ring light. I hope I've not added this before. I may not have a description for ring lights. Let me see, I don't know. Okay, I have created it. These are the list of items that I have, or the services that I render and all that. Then I go back. Now what I wanted to tell you about the tax that time is that in your tax, now it's asking me for a new tax, because when I was making my settings, I was setting my work, I put tax. So you have to put your tax for you to do what? To understand, because everything that you're selling has tax now. So you click on tax. So because this is tax settings, so you can decide to come and put how you put your tax. Is it 7.5? Sorry, tax rate is 7.5. That's the VAT now. That's what I put there. So it's active. Then if you want to change your tax, you can change it. Do you get? It depends what is in the market. But this one is showing like this now because I have already set it, and that's why tax, whenever I click on prices, after putting prices and then I put tax, then tax will be what? Showing. That will be all for now.